Today I am going to tell you a poem. The poem title is Nurture the Nature. Far away in a forest, when the sun rises, all the birds chirp, flowers bloom. Beauty and charm is what the morning comprises. The lions go growl, the hyenas go howl, the cows go moo, the squirrel says coo. The forest is a part of nature. Gather the valor, be discreet, for you might one day explore the jungle. Jungle is like a second home. Never harm the nature there. Grow more trees, save animals, for the earth we should care. Animals maintain the ecosystem. Killing them makes no sense. Loving, cuddling, and playing with them, hurry, save their habitat. This is our only chance. Thank you. And yes, this is my own poem and made by me. I've not copied any idea. And these all you see, these are plants and crafts made by me. So thank you. Bye-bye. Meet you in the next video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Okay then, meet you next time. Bye bye.